For years, managing tachographs has been just another administrative task. Downloading files, storing records, checking driving hours, preparing for inspections. But European regulations are raising the bar, and for many fleets, the challenge is no longer having a tachograph, it's managing all the data it generates correctly. With the rollout of the second-generation smart tachograph, also known as G2V2, authorities now have access to more information than ever before. Automatic border crossing registration, more precise location data, greater enforcement and verification capabilities, and new requirements for certain light commercial vehicles operating internationally. The regulations are evolving, and compliance management needs to evolve with them, because the real challenge begins after installation. Every vehicle generates data that must be downloaded, stored, and made available for audits and inspections. And as fleets grow, managing that process manually can quickly become an operational burden. More administrative work, greater risk of errors, less visibility into your fleet's compliance status. That's why more and more businesses are digitizing tachograph management, centralising data, automating remote downloads, and gaining a clear view of fleet-wide compliance from a single platform. Because compliance is not just about reacting when an inspection takes place, it's about being prepared every day. The smart tachograph G2V2 is more than a technology upgrade. It represents a new approach to compliance management across Europe. And the fleets that turn regulatory requirements into operational advantages will be the ones best positioned for the future. Geotab, simplifying compliance management for European fleets.